Hey there everyone, I know long time no see, but hi, this is your girl Ananya, and this time she's gonna stay for much longer so that you know her better. So getting started with the video, this time we are changing things a little bit, and this is what I always wanted to do, but finally I'm implementing it, so yay. So what I recently got, this thing I've heard about it a lot, और आई एम श्योर कि आप में से कई लोगों ने भी इसके बारे में सुना होगा, और फ्रॉम प्रोफेशनल्स इसको जरूर सुना होगा. दे ऑलवेज रिकमेंड दिस वन थिंग फॉर द हेयर दैट इज लाइक मैजिक मिरेकल, कुछ तो जादुई चीज है. सो दिस इज द ओलाप्लेक्स. इफ यू कैन सी, यस, या. So I recently ordered the Olaplex number 3 and 4. So let me tell you about it. So I just have number 3 and 4. So what they actually recommend is that you should use number 3, 4, 5. So number 3, this small teeny tiny bottle, this one is called the Olaplex, the original Olaplex Hair Perfector. So this is the number 3 as I told you. So this repairs and strengthens, and it's for all hair type. And the number 4 is Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So again, repairs, strengthens and hydrates all hair types. So I knew about this one. मतलब मुझे आइडिया था कि ऐसा कुछ एग्जिस्ट करता है, बट आई डिड नॉट लाइक कभी ऐसा परचेज करने का नहीं सोचा. और बट रिसेंटली माई मॉम इज गोइंग थ्रू अ फेज जिसमें बहुत हेयर थिनिंग हो रही है, एंड आई केम अक्रॉस दिस वन वीडियो ऑफ अ गर्ल जिसके मतलब बॉल पैचेस हो गए थे, एंड देन लाइक 9 months लेटर और 6 months लेटर शी रीफिल्म्ड दैट एंड she showed drastic difference. तो उसमें she recommended this one thing, Olaplex, and I was like, oh, I know about it. मतलब मैंने इसके बारे में पहले क्यों नहीं सोचा, but yeah, you get inspiration from somewhere. So that was my inspiration for getting Olaplex for my mom. So it's not for myself, but since I know it's a great product, so I would like to try it once. और try करके मैं आपको भी बताऊंगी कि what are the results, is it worth it. तो तारीफ बहुत सुनी है, हाइप है, लाइक. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस. मतलब इतनी हाइप क्यों है? सो दिस इज सम पेटेंटेड टेक्नोलॉजी. अब पेटेंटेड क्या है आई डोंट रियली नो. मतलब दे हैव मेंशन्ड ऑल देयर इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑल्सो. इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट पे आई वोंट गो क्योंकि मुझे पर्सनली नहीं पता है कि कौन से इंग्रेडिएंट्स अच्छे होते हैं, कौन से नहीं होते हैं. बट इसमें एक चीज लिखी है जो मुझे पता है कि व्हाट वर्क्स. सो दिस इज मेड विदाउट सल्फेट्स, पैराबेन्स और ग्लूटेन. सो सल्फेट्स आई नो दे आर बैड फॉर योर हेयर, मतलब इतना आता है. तो ये मेंशन्ड है, सो आई एम अज्यूमिंग इट शुड बी गुड. सो देयर ओपनिंग लाइन इज फॉर्मुलेटेड विद पेटेंटेड Olaplex bond building chemistry, restores, repairs and hydrates to add incredible shine. Okay, mark my words, that's what we are looking for. So incredible shine and manageability every time you shampoo using Olaplex 3-4-5 system. So yeah, 3-4-5 system इनका है. I told you in the beginning. I have 3 and 4 with me. अभी I'll just work with it. So what the 3 does? First of all, मतलब 3 ये जो छोटी सी प्यारी सी बॉटल है, इस पे इन्होंने फर्स्ट थिंग जो मेंशन की है ना, वो है कि यूज बिफोर शैम्पूइंग, नॉट अ कंडीशनर, इट्स अ बॉन्ड बिल्डर. एंड दे हैव लिटरली लाइक अंडरलाइन दैट. मतलब लोग करते होंगे, दे मस्ट हैव यूज्ड इट एज अ कंडीशनर. एंड एट फर्स्ट मैंने भी सोचा था कि ओके दिस मस्ट ऑल्सो बी सम इंटेंस काइंड ऑफ कंडीशनिंग, बट नो, इट इज टू बी यूज बिफोर शैम्पूइंग. सो रीडिंग द थिंग्स की कैसे इसको यूज करना है. सो दिस इज टू बी यूज 1 time per week. 1 time, wow. 1 time per week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. This time times, see. So apply on damp, towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to end until the hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave for 10 minutes or longer. Then rinse from hair, shampoo and condition as usual. Okay, fine. I'll do that. So I'll use this. Then I will only shampoo today because I don't want to spoil the effect. मतलब उसका अगर dedicated conditioner मेरे पास होता, which I will order. So the thing is that we are in currently lockdown right now and I am filming it while we are in lockdown. So बहुत ही कम products हैं जो actually available हैं. मतलब market तो जा नहीं सकते, and online भी they aren't selling everything. So not everything is shipped to your door, and like it's also address specific. So when I was ordering these, then conditioner wasn't available for my address. वहाँ पे deliver नहीं हो रहा था. then I got this package yesterday and I got interested, चलो check करते conditioner है, and it was there. And I was like, wow. मतलब I did not know, and they had that combo वाला भी कुछ package था उनके पास, like conditioner and shampoo both. So I was kind of upset कि मतलब ये चीज़ मुझे पहले नहीं मिली, but ठीक है. For me, I will use this, and I will also update you about how my mom is reacting to these products, like her hair, how are they reacting, because that's more important. मतलब वो वाला update मैं बाद में कर दूंगी. अभी let's try Olaplex 3 and 4. So for the 3 you have to dampen your hair and towel dry and all. I'll do that. I'll do that process right in front of you. Shampooing I'll do later and then show you the final results. So hi, I am back और I have dampened my hair. थोड़ा सा towel में इसको absorb होने देंगे. Till then I'll break this seal open. This is like my favorite part. We'll go as per the instructions. Like apply on damp towel dried hair, generous amount from scalp to end. Simple. Okay, we'll do that. So the seal is still there. अभी और काम बाकी है. Don't judge. Smells good, like really good. Okay, so first impression, and yeah, this is a first impression. Like everything about this I'm trying for the first time, so the smell is good. First impression. Now we'll take a generous amount as told. Generous. Right now I have taken this much on my palm, और उसको मैं scalp से roots तक I'll try and spread it out. It's like a therapy, you know. I like doing these things to myself. Also, talking about the price, so everything is above 2000 INR. I don't exactly remember. One of this was for 2100 something, and one was for around 2400, I guess. तो अगर आपके बाल बहुत डैमेज्ड हैं, like I don't need it personally, so this is not something that I'll use on a regular basis, to be very honest, but my mom does. So I'll update you on the results also, that if it is helpful. But अगर बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज है and you have tried everything out there and nothing has helped you, then there is no problem, in no harm, you know, in spending few more bucks and getting that result. I've given myself a proper chumpy, I guess, with this hair perfector. So it's evenly distributed. I must tell you that थोड़े से ही product का spread बहुत ज़्यादा है. Like it's not like it will concentrate at one place and not spread. मतलब I took out first time I showed you and second time also थोड़ा सा और निकाला था, and it has spread properly. मतलब मेरे सारे बाल cover हो गए and my hair is quite long right now, if you can see. So it's this long. Okay, so I'm taking थोड़ा सा और for one last time, just for the ends, like yeah, this much more for the ends. Can you hear this? Squeaky. You know, you can expect such things from my videos all the time. So yeah, now it's all applied, very well applied on my hair, and on the bottle it says कि leave it for 10 minutes or more. तो मैं इसको अभी around आधे घंटे के लिए छोड़ूंगी, because I want results to happen. Okay, I'm giving it the best shot that I can. So yeah, after 30 minutes I'll go and wash. Conditioner नहीं है, so no other conditioner will be applied. Only these two things, and I'll test how good is it. So see you after the wash. Hi, so I'm back after the washing and drying, and I have a lot to talk about. So first of all, let's look at how the hair looked like. So let me tell you, this is not my natural texture. I had to straighten it a little bit. I'll tell you why. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's shiny, if you can see. As the bottle claimed before, that it adds incredible shine. I'm not sure about incredible, but yes, it is shiny, of course. So talking about what happened. So apparently because of not washing and combing the hair, I had dreadlocks like a dog. If you have a furry dog, then you know what I'm talking about. There were a lot of tangles और फिर मुझे वो टैंगल सुलझाने में इतना ज़्यादा फ्रिज हो गया था कि I had to straighten it a little. So talking about the product and how it performed, oh my god, my mind is blown. Like hands down, I have found the best shampoo. Like I so wish right now कि मेरे पास conditioner भी होता, because that would have been just incredible to pair the two. I can feel conditioner से क्या difference पड़ेगा. But anyhow, as I told you before, कोई conditioner नहीं apply किया, although I applied a little bit of serum because heat भी था and I have a habit, मुझे wash के बाद serum चाहिए होता है. तो it was that. So first coming to the number 3 treatment, I left it for about half an hour as I told. तो in that time थोड़ा बाल सूख भी गए थे. They weren't as damp and I could feel like, you know, from over here जो बाल एकदम बांधे नहीं हुए थे, I could feel that they are much softer than before. तो अभी मेरे बालों की हालत बहुत ख़राब थी and I will discuss this in another video, like the products which I don't recommend at all, which I hate and I won't, like मैं नहीं चाहती कि किसी और के बाल उनकी वजह से ख़राब हो. Another important thing about the shampoo, so the quantities that you need is very small. We have discussed that it's little bit pricey, but given how much you need it, I think this bottle should last a long time. अगर आप अकेले use कर रहे हो, मतलब this should last for like a 3-4 month at least. मुझे तो लगता है अगर मैं personally use करूँ तो मेरी इतनी चलेगी, because you need literally this much. Yeah, तो अभी बालों की हालत खराब थी as I told you, and I could feel that softness. You know, the hair felt baby soft. And after washing, oh my god, when that shampoo goes out, you can feel it. It's like in the shower you'll feel that your hair is softer, much softer. When the hair was drying, even though I had so much of tangles, like वो tangles भी निकल जा रहे थे. मतलब it wasn't easy. I'm not saying कि it was magical. 1 घंटे लगे हैं मुझे आज अपने बालों से tangles हटाने में. The tangled hair, it was obviously like एकदम gone case, but बाकी अच्छा था. So there's that, and like yes, as I told you, now I know that there's one shampoo which will not let me down. So definitely I'll try other ones also. I have a few on the list जो कि मैं try करूँगी, and I'll make another video और उसमें we'll talk about what I've been using and what I don't recommend. So there's that, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching and hope you like the results. Like this is it. Let me show it from back. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one, and I promise to make more videos that entertain you. Thank you so much.
Everything changes.